Good morning, guys. It's Sunday in beautiful upstate New York, and today I think I'm gonna do the grill. I removed the grill last night, and you know that the grill has a few pieces that are broken. I'm thinking I'm gonna repair it and paint it, put it back on the car. So let's check out the grill. A little chilly today. Still beautiful, but it's chilly. And here we go. Alrighty. So that's the grill. If you see, it's missing a couple of fins. A thicker one in the middle. And yeah, anyway, my original plan was to cut it out of this grill that I have from a pickup truck, plastic, but it doesn't quite look right. So what I'm gonna do is, I got this piece of metal in my scrap pile, and I'm gonna slice this because it seems to be the same thickness as the fins. I'm gonna slice this up and put it there and JB weld it. And the thicker part, this part here, put it for the part that's thicker on the grill. Anyway, gonna go get my cup of coffee, take my time, slice this up. I got my safety goggles, gloves, safety first, guys. Grinder, and the torch to heat up this metal, just so I can bend it a little better. And let's see what happens. I'll talk to you guys later. Baking out. I'm using JB Weld steel. It's what I had, so I'm using what I got. I don't want to run to the store. You know what, guys? I don't think I want it black anymore. It looks nice, but I think gray is the way to go. I think this color might be better. So I'm going to paint it gray. I'll check you guys out in a couple of minutes. There you go, guys. Let me show you the grill. Dark gray. This is where I did the repair. What a hack job. That looked crappy. But I don't care. It's better than having that big hole there. You know, it doesn't have the big hole anymore, but it doesn't look that good though. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment. Anyway, that's about it. Check it out.